I was born, raised, and did my schooling in Rajmahendravaram town in Andhra Pradesh. I always been feel proud wherever get a chance to speak a few words about my native place and my parents. Hopefully, everyone would like to speak a few words about their parents, their native place, whenever they get a chance. So, Rajmahendravaram is a town located on the banks of the river Godavari. The river Godavari is the second longest river in India after the river Ganga, and its length is about 1,465 kilometers. Yes. Oh, coming back. I completed my graduation in 2012 in computer science engineering stream from JNTU Kakinada, and I secured 64% aggregate. Currently, I'm working as a senior software engineer in a private tech company as a data analyst, and I'm having 6 years of experience as a developer, as a production support analyst, and now as a data analyst. I'm residing in Hyderabad since 2012. Coming to my parents, my father, Mr. Subbarao, was retired as senior software accountant officer in International Paper, and now he is working as an accountant in a charitable organization. My mother, Mahalakshmi, is working as an associate professor in Government Homeopathy Medical College in Kadapa. I have one younger brother. He completed his masters in mechanical stream from IISc Bangalore, and now he is working. Apart from my work as a data analyst, I always been thinking about management side, but I have zero knowledge in management and business domain like business communication, entrepreneurship, operations, recruitment processing, management counseling, etc. So I have decided to join in MBA. Next, I was in the process of searching a college who offered courses in online mode. I heard about Upgrad. It is a revolutionary makeover to Indians that every passionate guy could accomplish and fulfill his dream of higher education via online. Through Upgrad, I was chosen OP Jindal Global University. Through Upgrad, I was chosen OP Jindal Global University with digital finance and banking as a specialization. The factors that driven me to choose OP Jindal Global University are in 2019, this university received Institute of Eminence tag by University Grants Commission. It is ranked 27th position in MBA sector along with other management MBA universities. I would like to discuss my current project and past projects. My current project is PCMD, Record Measurement Data, working for T-Mobile Sprint Telecom Network. T-Mobile Sprint is one of the major leading telecom providers and services to the customers in the US. And the PCMD record measurement data, we get the ETL, get the user's voice data to measure drops, signal connectivity and strength, send the processed data KPIs, key performance indicators to downstream applications. Then BI team analyze and design the call tips based on the reason, traffic, and improvise to provide customer-centric service. Collecting this raw data based on vendors such as Nokia, Ericsson, Samsung, and Nortel. And technologies included 1X means 1G to second generation, third generation, CDMA, voice data, and LTE data such as long-term evolution. In India, it is considered as 4G and upcoming 5G data. And my roles and responsibilities, I'm the part of extract, transform, load, processing, collect raw data from switches using Apache NiFi to
ISROM, that is a network file system. ASCII parsing to convert raw binary data to ASCII format, moving parsed files to HDFS and process the business requirement in Spark and also maintain the dimensions in Hive. Every process of logs written into MySQL and final required fields moving into the Teradata. My role dive into verifying NiFi mediation process, ASCII processing check, and creating and updating Hive dimension table if new KPIs requirement and Spark processing go to compute with structured format. I'm the part of migrating the application from physical cluster to the Amazon Web Services Cloud platform using AWS Glue, generating the code in Spark using Scala or Python libraries and apply the business logic and send the processed data to the downstreams, that is data warehouse. Coming to my previous project, it is Enterprise Data Management Suite. The EDMS Enterprise Data Management Suite, which brings together all the tools for an effective information lifecycle management program from a single web-based console. The platform offers industry-leading database archiving, test data management, data masking, and application retirement solutions. The EDMS is designed to control costs, boost application performance and availability, and meet compliance objectives. Universal access to all data is maintained for business users through structured SQL queries, reports, and searching. The information lifecycle management solutions are available for both packaged and custom enterprise applications. Multiple deployment options are available with special focus on technical support and customer service. And my roles and responsibilities here are handling piece of code on user login, password encryption or decryption, handling code on server-side validations, and achieve working experience of writing database queries and complex view queries. Complex view queries. I understood the knowledge of database archiving and data masking. I'm in the involvement of design web pages using Java server pages for the modules of user and test. Data management with single page application framework using AngularJS. I mostly achieved to resolve the bugs rising from quality analysis department. Also Java basic data source connection pooling to hold connections. For parallel execution using Java collections and threads while archiving and migrating the data from one database instance to other database instance. I'm the part of architecture based on infrastructure of Hadoop cluster, provide Spark as an option for iterative and interactive data processing. And coming to the another one, which is an enhancement to the enterprise data management suite project, that is web application integration using Cloudera Hotelworks. Cloudera Hotelworks. And it is the part of the enterprise data management suite. The main objective of this project is implementing Hadoop operations. Like Hadoop operations means big data operations to integrate to a enterprise data management suite product, such as transferring relational data like Oracle, SQL Server to the HBase using Hive. The main module of EDMS is archiving. It is also called as Big Data Suite, supports direct archiving data into Hive on HBase. Implementing virtual printer, that is the printed PDF documents through EDMS directly stored into the Hadoop distributed file system. Stored into the Hadoop distributed file system. And coming here, my roles and responsibilities are: I'm the part of the implementing Hadoop cluster setup installation on CentOS, handling the code of the virtual printer that directly stores the printed PDF files into the HDFS virtually. I'm in the involvement of design web pages using JSP for the virtual printer module. I'm the part of designing and integration of high HDFS high availability into uh, Big Soup with single page application framework using AngularJS to bind data. Integration of high-weight Spark through Spark scalar libraries, creating tables and retrieving complex criterion queries in Hive, data stored in HDFS or Amazon S3 list. JDBC connection for Hive archive data from traditional RTVMS such as Oracle, MySQL to Hive on HDFS using Hive JDBC drivers. Using Java collections, that is map, to hold Hadoop via MapReduce, high availability, Kerberos and Hive. Properties to connect Hadoop cluster remotely integrated to our existing big data set. And lastly, analysis of MySQL or Oracle data use JDBC connection in Spark. I would like to end this presentation with my last project, and cooking is one of my favorite hobby, so I would like to share a small evening time snacks recipe. And my last project was Riverplay. The environment which we use, that is Amazon Cloud, RVP. Riverplay is a kind of bank platform which provides all banking services such as checking accounts, saving accounts, online payment services to the online gaming platform for the Pathway game providers, providing services in maintaining all of the game player information and game providers and their partners configuration of different vendors. And my roles and responsibilities here, I'm the part of contributing my services in enhancing and maintenance support, scheduling the tasks to run the jobs between MongoDB to MySQL with AMQ to maintain the optimization of load on the platform. Writing the shell scripts for running services like daily cron jobs and MySQL scripts. I'm the part of developing RESTful web service APIs that to access our information to the third-party vendors. Using Kafka distributed messaging system, streaming the data of everyday users' gameplay to the business intelligence reports, databases, and parallel mode to the vendor, fund, and cashier schema modules. Thanks to everyone that I had an opportunity to discuss about myself and how I'm studying MBA in UP Jindal Rebel University. Today I would like to share a recipe which is simple, tasty and healthier snack. Here I would like to mention all the ingredients or vegetarian ingredients. Let's see the required ingredients for this recipe. Salt biscuits, either Britannia or Barley Company. Garlic mayonnaise, wheat Thousand Island sauce cream, beef chipotle sauce cream, big field mustard sauce, parsley dried crushed herbs, pepper powder, 1 large cherry cucumber, 2 large rounded tomatoes, bunch of coriander leaves, etc. Yep. Let's see the preparation. Wash cucumber and tomatoes with salt water and peel off it. Cut the cucumber and tomatoes into round slices. Take a serving tray and spread salt biscuits in the tray. Add VB Thousand Island sauce on all salt biscuits. On top, place over cucumber slices. Then sprinkle some pepper, salt, and parsley shrubs. Then place tomato slices on top of it. Add some chipotle sauce and also garlic mayonnaise. And last, garnish with chopped coriander. The simple snack is ready. Please try this in your home and